Can a game change the way India manages money? Most people find finance boring, but everyone loves a challenge. So here we have a new challenge named Innovate for Finland Game Challenge by NCFA, and it is calling for innovators to turn complex financial concepts into engaging playable experiences. So before we start and deep dive into the challenge, make sure to subscribe the channel and do like the video because we share such important information challenges in this challenge. So let's come to the channel directly and the challenge. Let's view it. So here is the challenge, that is Innovate for Penlet Game Challenge. Now, who can take part in this challenge and why you should join this challenge? First of all, it's open to all the students, working professionals, startup founders, freelancers, educators, and independent innovators. So here there is no restriction, anyone can take part in it, and you'll be getting a chance to work with the NCFE. It's a national institution. You'll be participating and getting some cool prizes over here. Now, why you should join the challenge? They have mentioned because you'll be getting some cool prizes. You can see there are huge prizes. You'll be getting visibility in the national recognition. Okay, you'll be getting mentors, teachers, and getting a chance to get featured in the national Center for Financial Education. Okay, as I said, it's open for all and it's purpose driven. Okay, now here we'll cover some important things. First of all, you understood who can take part in it. Now, what is the challenge about it? It's a national innovation challenge which is designed to inspire developers, creators, change makers for the future of financial education in India. Now, here we have some problem statement. So you can see this is the problem statement in which you have to work and develop some solution. You can see the core challenges over also available over here, and we are having user specific tracks. So you can just find out the track which helps you to understand which is your main source of interest. Okay, if you are interested in farmer track, you can select it. If you're interested in woman track, you can just select woman track, student track, adult track, whatever are there. Okay, you can just select any track in which you are interested. Now here they have mentioned that if you try to integrate, see, for building the projects, you have been given the problem statement above. Now you have to develop solution. Now your solution must contain all these three things. That is, it should include some savings, budgeting, insurance, investment, retire, digital finance. Also, it should be lightweight and low bandwidth. Means it should be eco-friendly also, and it should be cost effective also. Apart from this, there'll be some quizzes and some stimulations. Okay, you'll be getting a chance to meet the jury members also. Okay, now here you can just come over here. How to just participate in this program? Okay, first of all, you have to sign up in the official program and then you have to form a team. You can take part individually also or form a team of 4 members. After that, you have to submit your idea based on the problem statement. After that, you have to submit the prototype. If you are shortlisted based on your idea, you will be notified by email. So you need to wait for it. And if your prototype is also accepted, then you have to be present and be a part of the top 10 teams who will be just sharing their solution. Just like hackathon judging, you must have seen the Indian Idol, any event where they judge publicly. So there will be some offline events where you have to be present and just showcase your skills, whatever you have built. Now coming to the next thing, you can see the prize pool also. And if you want to apply as a mentor or as a jury, you can just fill the mentor and jury form too. Now coming to the timeline, the registration already started from 31st of December and you'll be ending on 8th of February. So hurry up and fill the registration form and you'll be having idea submission phase till that only. After that, you can just form the team also. So if you want to take part solo means alone, individually, then there is no team formation needed. You need to just create a team. If you face any issue, you can comment down below. I'll make a video for that also. Now, after that, on 13th of January, there'll be introductory session where they'll explain you the problem statement. Also, there will be some cool sessions where you can ask anything to the managers, teams, etc. After that, your idea evaluation will be done on 9th of February, and then on 18th of February, your solution means the shortlistment of the all the categories, all the projects will be done. After that, you have to develop the prototype. Similarly, all these things are there, and after that you'll be able to get it. So now let's cover some of the top FAQs. So who can participate? Anyone across India. So it's a Indian event. I hope it clears your doubt that if you are from India only, then only you can take part in it. Now, is there any registration fees? As it says, it's a free of cost event. Do not pay anyone. Now, team-based participants can join individually also or form a team. You can join individually also. Now, what kind of solution? You need to build a gamified or game-inspired solution that teaches financial concepts. So you have to build something gamified. Like you can make quizzes, you can make apps, you can make Q&As, you can make some gamified experience apps where you can just generate some stories, etc. You can use your brain for more information. I hope it clears your doubt. Now, here are the themes. Your themes should be based on one of these, like whether you are working for farmers, for rural women, for students, and younger adults. Okay. Now, the prize pool is this much, and it will be distributed among all the participants. Now, will participants receive certificates? So, everyone who submit valid means you cannot submit random projects or copied projects. If you submit valid projects, then only you'll be able to get the certificates. Okay. Now, how to register? You have to click on the register now button. Okay. So you have to click on the register now button, and here it will ask you all your details. You have to mention all the details: name, email, mobile number, address, whether you are a college student, freelancer. You have to mention all the things and simply click on register now. Okay. Once you register, all the details will be fetched and you'll be getting the email for every single update. I hope it clears your doubt. And if you are new to this channel, if you want to learn more about Salesforce Challenge, all the things are covered in the channel. I will link some of the videos which will help you to understand the programs. Also, if you want to participate in the arcade program, you can check the description box. I've covered everything. And if you still face any issue or have any doubt, you can just let me know in the comment section. Okay, the program is open for all, and you'll be getting certificates directly from the national certificate, which will boost your resume. So make sure to take part in it. I hope it clears your doubt. To like the video and just subscribe the channel.